Hi, my name's Violet and today I'm going to teach you how to use crystals. So, step one of using crystals is first you need to choose which crystal is for you. Did you know that we're intuitively drawn to the crystals that we actually need? The reason for this is that crystals have a very stable energy structure. When our body's energy chakras are out of balance in some way, they'll be drawn to the stable energy within the crystal itself. So basically this just means that if you see a selection of crystals, you're going to be intuitively drawn to the one that you need the most. You don't need to overthink it, just go with your gut. Step two in the process of how to use crystals is all about crystal cleansing. Now, when anyone holds your crystal, when you get it home, crystals are kind of like a sponge and they absorb all the energy from other people. So crystal cleansing is about clearing that polluted energy from everyone else and just making it clear for you to put your own intentions on it. To do this, what you have, like the easiest, most simple way, is putting your crystal in sunlight or moonlight for around 8 hours. I find the easiest way to do this is just putting it on my window shelf or putting it on the shelf overnight. If you don't have access to sunlight for some reason, then you can also hold a crystal in your hand and then focus a bright white light on it. There's loads of other ways to do crystal cleansing, but I think these are just the easiest. I mean, you can put them in salty water or you can bury them in the ground. But if you have crystal jewelry, then I think sunlight is just the best option. So the final stage and the third step in this process is crystal programming. So programming your crystal means activating the energy within it and putting your intention on it. Every crystal kind of lays dormant until human consciousness interacts with it and we awaken the energy within inside it. So to do this, you hold a crystal in your hand. So for example, I have a rose quartz crystal here that I was drawn to, and you hold it, focus a bright white light shining onto that crystal. And then when you're in this state of awareness with the light shining on, you then think about what you want this crystal to bring you. In this example, because it's rose quartz, this is all about unconditional love and love for myself and others. So I would say something like, I want this stone and this crystal to bring positive and uplifting love and energy into my life that's unconditional for myself and for everyone around me. I would do this for around 28 to 30 days. And then after this amount of time, I would then see how this is affecting me and how it's brought more love into my life. Now, there's kind of two reasons why this is going to work for you. Both the healing energy of the crystal itself, plus you're going to have the positive affirmation that you're doing for 30 days. The more positive intention we put out for ourselves, the more we can bring it to us. When we're thinking of things that we want rather than what we don't want, we're more likely to bring it into our life. Okay, I really hope that you found this straightforward and easy, and I'd love to hear what examples or stories that you've got from using this technique.